Hi mga tao, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to cook the beef steak. First thing first, we need to caramelize the onion and then it's time for marination. Lagay natin yung beef soy sauce. Siyempre, kailangan natin magdagdag ng clemency. Pwede mo rin lagyan ng suka, of course. Then, wag mo rin kalimutan yung black pepper para medyo maanghang. Then, we're going to set aside for 2 hours. Ito na yung ating caramelize. Set aside na rin natin yan. And of course, after 2 hours, fry na natin yung ating marinated beef. So, kapag na-fry na yung beef natin, at the same pan, dyan na rin tayo mag-igisa ng ating beef. Sim oil lang pala guys. Hindi pinagprituhan natin ng ating beef or marinated beef. So, yung marinated sauce, yan din yung lalagay natin as a sauce ng ating beef steak. Then, i-add na natin yung fried beef. Then, ilagdag na rin natin yung ating fried onion. So, papakuluan lang natin siya ng mga ilang minuto hanggang sa lumambot na yung ating beef. At pwede rin tayo magdagdag dito ng onion kapag gusto nyo pa. Pero mas maganda rin gamitin na dito is white onion para mas matamis kasi yun compare dito sa isang onion na to. And I think that's all for today's video. Dagdag lang rin pala ako dyan ng sayote. Thank you for watching.